Hi guys. So, ever since I realized that investing in yourself and also in the stock market would pay off, like make me live comfortably, I've been focusing more on researching and actually doing some of these things. And man, let me tell you, you don't even know how much information is out here, how much these rich people are getting more richer. And I don't mind being called a rich auntie. Do you? The rich auntie, Auntie Lulu, Auntie Lucy. I don't mind. Do you mind? Maybe Auntie wa Mercedes. You never know. So, in this video, I want to share with you two international global companies where you can actually invest in the US stock market or the Singapore stock market. One of the companies is called Etoro. Etoro is Etore, and you can actually register for free, and if you refer friends, earn some commission when they sign up and start trading with your referral link. All these things, or the website is actually, it's mandated and it's verified. It's not something like a scam or anything. And I told you, this is not a get rich quick strategy. I don't do that crap. No, I don't do that crap. But the bitcoins that you want to be rich overnight or after 10 days, no, that's a lot of nonsense. So you can go to the website Etoro. This is not a paid promotion. It's just for your information. It's probably better than the others because it has more option trading or fraction of shares. If you can't buy stock like Amazon, which is around 3K, or Google, you can actually buy maybe for like $100 as a fraction of shares and all that. This is information I'm just giving you. Just go ahead, look at it, and sign up. Study, make sure, remember, you should have your own emergency fund first. You shouldn't do your investing if you don't know the fundamentals of how you can actually invest and save yourself. Okay? So, the second one is called interactive brokers. When I was in Kenya way back, I actually started my application, but I realized they needed a portfolio of like $25,000. I'm like, whoa, wait, what? 25K? I'm like, no, I don't have that kind of money. So you can actually open brokerage companies. You can open, create an account, get your affiliate links where you can also share with your friends. And when they deposit anything and they transact, you get a commission. This is how these companies are getting commissions. And the good thing about these two companies, they're actually free trading commissions. These two others, the previous ones that I discussed, Scope Market and EGM, they have commissions. These two, eToro and Interactive Brokers, do not have commissions. Companies like Fidelity Investments, Capital Group, Robinhood, M1 Finance, all these are companies in the US. You can actually, they're stockbrokers where you can invest, but those ones, they require you to have a social security number. So it means you're either a resident or a citizen in the US or in Europe where these companies operate. So the two ones for foreigners is the Interactive Brokers and eToro. You don't need a social security. The commissions actually, I think they are free. Just do your due diligence before you invest. The best thing about this information is you can decide to act on it whenever you're ready. Time is on your side. Don't rush into anything. I'd advise you, before you actually invest in anything that you don't know, do your research. Start with the Kenyan stock market. There's Nairobi Stock Exchange. Open a CDS account. See all the listed companies over there. They have stockbroker websites. You can actually see the trends of these companies, how much shares are moving per day, what is the market cap, what is the expense ratio, how much will you spend before buying a certain stock, how much dividends do they issue every single year, have they been consistent? Those are some of the fundamental questions you should ask yourself. Are they consistent? Are they good? Are they bad? Are they little? Are they a lot? Of course, are these companies making profits or losses? You have to look at all those things before you decide to invest, okay? So, with these two companies, it has a pool of almost, I think, all publicly listed companies in the world. So it's up to you to decide, to choose which one would you like to pick. Like I said, look around your house. Look at all the things you're using in the house, from the dishwashing soap, from the cooking oil, from the toilet paper, paper towels, the water, electricity, the cable or DSTV, in fact, the internet, you know. Look at the bed sheets you're sleeping on every day. Look at the food you're actually eating every day. How exciting is that? You can actually invest in everything that you own in that house and get your dividends. Imagine that's how they pay you. And still, you get capital gains on your money. Capital gains simply means your money has appreciated by investing in this company. It is so straightforward, it's not complicated, and it's not easy, but it's doable. I don't see why you shouldn't try. I mean, it's possible. I'm doing it. If I tell you my story where I've come from, you will be so surprised. This thing didn't come just from nowhere. I didn't wake up one day and have a stockbroker's account. I didn't wake up one day and have Apple shares. I didn't wake up one day and have Microsoft, Safaricom, Center. I had to do my research. I had to find the value in all of these things. I had to identify the skill that I have here to teach you on YouTube on how to invest. And that is what I want to help you with, okay? So the ball is on your court. And remember to subscribe to this channel, share with your friends, and also remember, what you see in your head, you can hold it in your hands. Keep chasing your greatness. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.